We're here at Laconia High School today to donate this 2022 Malibu to the automotive program.
It's a great resource for our students to be able to practice their skills and do so on a vehicle which is current, has the kind of technology which they're going to be running to when they get into the field.
My hat goes off to everybody involved in making this donation happen. It is an awesome teaching tool for students to be able to have hands-on vehicles that's up current. We're excited. I'm very thankful for, like I said, everybody involved, especially Ryan, Kim, and everybody from the State Department of the Education Department. This means the world to the program to be able to have a good functioning vehicle.
It's important to keep these automotive programs across the state supplied with vehicles and the tools they need for our future technicians. I want to thank our leadership, the Department of Safety, Commissioner Quinn, Director Newberry, Deputy Director Oldenburg, and I would like to thank Commissioner Arlinghouse at DAS and Commissioner Davis at the Department of Education for their help in making this happen.